Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a readme file on GitHub. So first you have to simply click on your profile like in the top right corner, and from here you'll find your repositories. So you have to go to that. Now here you'll find all of your repositories, and from here I have one here. So you have to open your file first, then you will find this let me show you there. Here is the add file button here, where you can simply click on create a new file here, so where you can name the file like readme.md file. So this is actually the readme.md file, so you can actually create it, or otherwise you can find it. Let me show you. Otherwise you can find it, this add readme at the very bottom of your file. So you can simply click on add a readme, or you can, if you can find that, then you can go with the first method. So don't forget to write the readme.md, so it will create the md file. So from here I'm going to simply click add a readme.md file, so it's look like the same from here. Now from here, if you want to add a heading 1 tag, so you can enter one hashtag, then the project, and then you can enter anything like xyz. Then again, like if you want to add the heading 2, then you have to add a 2 hashtag with that wave edu. And then if you want to add heading 3 text, then you have to add that one, like just like this. I have just added it. Now you have to simply click on commit changes, and here is commit message here, or you can add some description. So it can actually this readme file actually add it as a this, like this is not added yet. Let me show you. Let's see the preview here. So it's not added, so it's not working right now, but you can do it by this method here. So that's how you can simply click on commit changes. So here you can find spaces, tabs, and software verb, and the liner here, the indent size there. So you can go with this, and here don't forget to simply click on this commit changes. So here is commit directly to the main branch, select it, or you can create a new branch for this commit and start a pull request. So here it is. So that's like this, it will look like this. If I go back to my, here it is. If I reload it, this section here, it will look like this, the readme section. So that's how you can add a readme file on your GitHub repositories. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.